Now, Wave 31 Storm Tracker Chief Meteorologist Taylor Knust with 31 Triple Doppler.
Taylor, a pleasant evening for us across the region.
Yeah, finally a break from the really hot weather we've had so far this week today, and that's translated to a really nice night here in North Alabama as well. We're continuing to see that lingering wildfire smoke across North Alabama, and that may be even more so a problem heading into Friday. The air quality the past few days has been in the moderate category on the 1 to 6 scale on the air quality index. That's a 2, so that's not going to be too hazardous for most healthy adults. Now, as we head into Friday, we're expecting that air quality to worsen a little bit to the 3 out of 6 category, which is unhealthy for sensitive groups. What I mean by sensitive groups are children and teens, people with respiratory issues, older adults. You may want to limit your time outside and avoid doing strenuous activities tomorrow due to that worsening air quality that we're expecting in parts of North Alabama. Those of you that are healthy adults likely will not be impacted necessarily, but even then you may notice certainly hazy skies tomorrow due to that lingering smoke. This is most likely to be a problem in more of the more populated areas where there's more industry around Morgan and Madison counties. That's where we have air quality alerts that will be in effect throughout the day tomorrow. As for this evening, we're looking at partly cloudy skies, light north winds, and current temperatures in the low 70s for the Rocket City. 31 Triple Doppler showing dry conditions across the board. We have had passing showers to our west throughout the day today. We were keeping an eye on a cluster of rain to our northwest, but that has since fizzled out. It possibly could reinvigorate at least to a couple showers in northwest Alabama late tonight, but the wide majority of us are expected to stay dry as we head into the overnight hours. Future radar showing that chance for a sprinkle here and there overnight. Any threat for rain should be done by the time you wake up tomorrow morning. Mostly sunny skies, beautiful weather back in store for us on Friday. Again, beyond the haze, it's going to be rather quiet and very comfortable across the board tomorrow. Forecast temperatures in the morning will climb from the 60s to near 80 at lunchtime. Should be a great time to grab lunch on the patio, and any outdoor plans you have tomorrow afternoon will not be affected by the weather, with mainly clear skies, light winds, and high temperatures in the mid 80s. 84 tomorrow in Coleman, 86 in Huntsville, and 85 your forecast high in Athens. Looking ahead to this weekend, we will have one more dry, sunny day on Saturday, and then things are going to change in a hurry. A rise in the temperatures and humidity heading into Sunday will help trigger fairly widespread showers and storms that could start as early as late Sunday morning, but will certainly be more likely Sunday afternoon into Sunday night. You can see there it's pretty widespread on future radar, and again, that threat will continue into Sunday night as a cold front will be approaching from the west, and that may keep our threat for storms around much of Sunday night. With that in mind, there may be some threat for severe weather, primarily hail and damaging wind gusts with a few storms. This will not necessarily be a severe weather outbreak, but a handful of storms could be on the strong side. The bigger impact is that many of us, in fact, most of us are expected to get rain, and many of us will end up with a ½ inch to 1 inch of rainfall, which is more than many of us have seen in quite a while. This is what one of our models is suggesting for rain totals across the region from Sunday afternoon into Sunday night. 70% chance of that rain on Sunday. We'll have continued off and on shower and storm chances heading into next week, and highs staying put in the mid 80s to the low 90s.